There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby sing on back.
Cool. What you making? Say hi, YouTube.
I made a spinning block.
You made a spinning block?
Yeah.
Look what I did. See? I gave this rusty old chisel I got.
Dada,
Nice little polish.
can you even sand that with wood?
This, well, if you put sandpaper on the wood, you can sand it down. See the little blemishes in there?
Yeah.
I could probably fine sand this since they're not too deep. And then I could polish it up even more. It's in really nice shape, this thing.
I don't know.
Okay.
I didn't know what kind can fit in here.
You didn't know what kind? Well, I got all kinds of screws you can put in there. Nuts and bolts. You want to dig through the nuts and bolt drawer? Let me get you a box of screws. Wait, I think I have a box of screws here somewhere for you.
I don't know which one fits in.
Wait.
I tried this one. This one's too big. This one's skinny.
That one's skinny. There's none in there. I have to look for them. I don't know where it is. Let's see. What size do we got? How big is that hole?
We need one that fits like through the hole.
Through the hole? Okay, let me check the...
This one's too skinny. This one's too big.
In case anyone on YouTube is wondering what we're doing, we're just messing around in the garage. That's all. Right, Claire?
I'm trying to make some
Yeah.
that fits through this
Trying to make
hole
something that fits through that
right
hole.
here.
And I'm trying to find a bolt that goes through that hole, right?
Yeah.
Of course, I don't know where I put all my bolts. So, oh, wait a minute, I know where. They're over there, I think. That's an empty one. Where is the bolts? Where did I put all the bolts? Aha, it is back there. Let's see. Hang tight, YouTube. We're going to find it. There we go. Clear up the counter there. Clear off the counter.
What?
Clear off the bench. There we go. There you go.
We need to find which one fits.
There's a bunch in there. What size? Like
I don't know
maybe...
which one is going to fit, but
Does that one work? What about this size? Does that fit in there? Nope. This one? Look.
hey, that's the perfect size.
Perfect size, huh? You all done with this now? You don't need any more? That's a screw, that.
This is the perfect size.
Perfect size, huh? Alright, won't make a too long video here. Anyway, we're just messing around in the garage. So I would say hi to you. Right? Say goodbye to YouTube.
Bye.
Bye, folks. We're just messing around.